Welcome back to Auto Specs. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury aviation with a detailed review of the Dassault Falcon 7X, one of the most technologically advanced and luxurious private jets in the world. The Falcon 7X has set new standards in private aviation, offering a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and innovation. Let's explore what makes this aircraft a top choice for high-net-worth individuals, corporate executives, and even governments across the globe. First and foremost, the Falcon 7X is powered by three Pratt & Whitney PW307A engines, which provide the jet with a unique advantage over many other business jets in its class. These three engines give the 7X superior performance, allowing for better fuel efficiency and a higher level of safety. The jet has an impressive range of 5,950 nautical miles, which means it can easily complete long-haul flights like New York to Dubai or London to Singapore without needing to refuel. The Falcon 7X is also notable for its ability to land at smaller airports, thanks to its short-field performance and advanced engineering, allowing it access to locations that are out of reach for larger jets. Now let's talk about the technology behind this jet. Dassault Aviation is known for its military aviation background, and the Falcon 7X benefits from that expertise. This is the first business jet to feature fly-by-wire technology, which significantly improves handling, safety, and fuel efficiency. With fly-by-wire, the jet's control surfaces are managed electronically rather than mechanically, which reduces the weight of the aircraft and allows for finer, more responsive control. The high-tech avionics system makes flying the Falcon 7X both easier and safer, with automatic adjustments for wind, weather, and flight conditions. The Digital Flight Control System, DFCS, is a marvel of engineering, making the aircraft more agile and responsive in the sky. Moving inside, the cabin of the Falcon 7X is where luxury truly comes into play. The spacious cabin can be configured into three distinct living areas, making it ideal for long-haul flights. Whether you're conducting a business meeting, enjoying a gourmet meal, or simply resting, the Falcon 7X cabin offers an environment of unparalleled comfort. The cabin is exceptionally quiet, thanks to advanced noise reduction technologies, and the air pressure is maintained at lower altitudes, making the flight more comfortable and reducing fatigue on long trips. The cabin management system allows passengers to control everything from lighting and temperature to entertainment systems, all from the comfort of their seats. The Falcon 7X's interior can be customized with a wide variety of materials, finishes, and seating arrangements, ensuring that each jet is uniquely tailored to its owner's preferences. The attention to detail is astounding. Luxurious leather seats, rich wooden veneers, and high-end finishes are standard in the 7X. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, this jet provides the ultimate in-flight experience. When it comes to performance, the Falcon 7X excels at both high altitudes and in tight, difficult landing spots. Its short takeoff and landing (STOL) capabilities make it highly versatile, and it can land at airports that many larger jets cannot. This flexibility is a significant advantage for those needing access to remote or private airstrips, as well as major city centers with restricted airports. Additionally, the Falcon 7X is capable of reaching speeds of Mach 0.90, ensuring that you'll get to your destination quickly, without sacrificing fuel efficiency or comfort. Another remarkable feature of the Falcon 7X is its environmental efficiency. Dassault Aviation has engineered this aircraft to be one of the most fuel-efficient jets in its class, reducing both operating costs and environmental impact. Its aerodynamic design and advanced engine technology help minimize fuel burn, making the 7X a more eco-friendly option for long-range travel. In terms of safety, the Falcon 7X is equipped with state-of-the-art safety systems, including advanced weather radar, enhanced vision systems, EVS, and the latest in collision avoidance technology. The jet's triple-engine configuration also adds an extra layer of safety, giving the aircraft more options in the rare case of an engine failure. To sum it up, the Dassault Falcon 7X is a top-tier private jet that combines groundbreaking technology, luxurious comfort, and world-class performance. Whether you're flying for business or leisure, this jet offers an unparalleled experience in the sky. From its fly-by-wire technology to its spacious, customizable cabin, the Falcon 7X is designed to meet the demands of the most discerning travelers. If you're looking for a jet that offers both versatility and luxury, the Dassault Falcon 7X is a standout choice in the world of private aviation. It's perfect for long-haul flights, smaller airport access, and those who appreciate the finer details of design and engineering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews on the world's top jets and vehicles. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the skies.